It's a holiday weekend and the city gets so empty, which is good. I like the quietness sometimes. I think everybody's getting ready to celebrate the 4th of July. So they're either leaving town, Vegas, or they're heading to the beach. And I don't blame them. Today is such a beautiful day. LA is back. The weather is back. Clear skies, 90 degrees. And you know what I'm doing? Taking my butt to the gym. I'm back in the dungeon. Gonna go to the locker room, put my stuff away, and do a complete workout today.
So good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day was better, but I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand.
All right. Today's pretty cool because the gym's got 80 music playing. Remember how I used to do vlogs here? Because it was closed? Now that the pool is back open and people are swimming, no more vlogs.
What a beautiful.
Definitely gotta stretch before I work out, you know how it is. I just want to take this opportunity to show you my man bun. It took me over 2 years to grow back. Take my hand, take my whole life too, but I can't help falling in love with you. Yeah, it's so important to bring your own music, you know, just in case when I'm here at the gym, I just want to be in my own little space, and I always listen to good feeling music, good energy, because that's what I want in my life. I just want to take this time to send each and every one of you that good energy. I'm feeling good today, and I want to send you that good energy so you can feel good. Thank you, each and every one of you, for watching and subscribing. It means a lot to me. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my workout, and I wish you guys a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care.
'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, babe.